This video we are going to discuss about emotions in day trading. First of all, I would like to discuss about the four emotions here. Then how to overcome these emotions in a strategic way will be discussed in this video. Now let's get into the video. Oftentimes many traders or trading gurus always talk about emotional control in day trading. What actually emotions in day trading is? Day trading is more than numbers and charts, and it's an emotional battlefield. Okay, it's like the battle in your mind. So these emotions, fight, fear, greed or overconfidence, will be there in your mind, and they are keep on stressing yourself throughout the trading day. This is why we called it as battlefield. The highs and lows of trading can lead to impulsive decisions. If it is not managed properly, that will be a great problem for you. Understanding your emotions and learning to control them is the secret to consistent success. I would say the emotional roller coaster is the name for the day trader, day trader's mind. Day trading exposes traders to emotions like 1. Fear, greed, overconfidence, and despair. Now, first, look at what is fear. Fear of missing out, FOMO. I think you have heard about FOMO, that is called fear of missing out. In other words, another thing here is fear of loss, FOLO. Okay, fear of loss, this is another fear. For example, you see a stock skyrocketing and you impulsively buy it. Okay, do you remember any situation like that? Yes, every trader will do this, including me also. In my earlier trading days, I did this out of FOMO. Sometimes I make big money and sometimes I make huge losses. Okay, so when you enter the stock impulsively only to see the stock reverses back and it gives you big losses. If you have faced this FOMO effect, please give me a comment in the comment section so that I'll know how FOMO is affecting the traders. The second one is the greed. Holding on to a winning trade too long, okay, hoping for even greater profits just to see it reverse. Many times, if you don't have a plan or the entry exit strategy or the stop loss strategy, this will happen to you. When you entered the trade, you are hoping little bit more profits, just want to stay in the market for some more time to gain some more points, but actually it reverses. The profitable trade goes to negative trade most of the time. For example, a trader refuses to sell after a 10% gain only to end up with a loss when the market turns. And next one is overconfidence. Overconfidence is really common in many traders. Why? Because after seeing 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 consecutive winning trades, traders feel that I cracked the code of day trading, and they go with without plan, let's see attitude, and with big position sizing. All these things come under overconfidence. Winning multiple trades in a row can create a false sense of invincibility. Invincibility in the sense, just a moment. Invincibility in the sense there is a strong feeling to do something. Okay? A trader doubles their position size after a streak of wins only to face a major loss. And fourth one is despair. A string of losses can lead to revenge trading. when a trader makes rash decisions to recover losses. This is called despair. For example, after three losing trades, a trader enters a poorly analyzed trade, hoping to win it all back. That is called despair. Now, I'm going to give a real time example. For example, let's take the person name is Ravi, a new trader, and one morning he noticed a tech stock surging up. Okay, fueled by his FOMO emotion, he bought at the peak. Why? Whenever there is a surge in the stocks, for the first 1 or 2 minutes, they move really big moves. So, when you understand that is moving up and you have selected the strike prices, then you enter the trade. That time, most of the time, that is going to be a something like the peak of that. So once you enter at that peak, again it reverses back. That makes us so panic. Instead of cutting the losses, that Ravi hold on to it, hoping it would rebound again. But by the end of the day, he would lose half his trading account. Ravi's story is common. His downfall was not lack of knowledge but lack of emotional control. Now let's get into strategies to control emotions in day trading. The step number 1 is stick to a plan. Define your entry exit points before entering a trade. Okay, that is called sticking to a plan, as I have already discussed this. The risk management. Limit each trade to a small percentage of your account balance. Okay, there is no big downfall, or there is no big losing of money on a particular trade or on that particular day. This is called risk management. Mindfulness techniques. Trust me, if you do meditation before your trading, that would give you great impact in your emotions. Why? Because you grounded yourself with your meditation. You know what you are doing. You deleted all the chaos from your mind, and you have to give the instructions to your mind in your mindfulness practice or meditation practice. This I have to do on this particular day. This is my action plan. This is how I act in the market. When price coming to my location, then only I will take the trade. During the meditation process, you have to train your mind to listen to you. Most of the time, brain does not listen to you, and it is giving you some messy things from out of the noise. So you have to train your mind to give mindfulness techniques, to give the right actions at the right time. And another one is journaling. Record your trades and the emotions you felt. Yes, journaling, you have to include emotions in your journaling, because emotions play a vital role in trading success. Analyze patterns to improve also. The next one here is set daily limits. Stop trading after a certain number of wins or losses to avoid over trading. So these are the strategies to control emotions in day trading. Let me tell you strategies one more time. Stick to a plan, number 1. Number 2, you have to have risk management. Number 3, practice mindfulness. Number 4, journaling. Number 5, set daily limits. These are the strategies that you have to follow to control emotions in your day trading. Finally, emotions are inevitable in day trading. Inevitable in the sense unavoidable, but they can be controlled by training your mind to do so, by staying disciplined and aware of your feelings. You can turn the volatile emotional trading into an opportunity for growth by training your mind. Remember, the market is unpredictable, but your response doesn't have to be like that. How you can be to maintain this, how you can do this? By including some strategies to overcome these emotions in your trading. If you like this content, please share this content in your trading community so that they can also learn it. Thank you so much.